What's going on, YouTube? I am back again with another video. This is more than likely going to be the final video I do of this rug rescue. Well, it's much less a rug rescue now and more onto a final vac because, well, there's still probably some dry carpet cleaner in here, but I don't think it's going to be enough to hurt the Kirby or anything. I know some of us were probably expecting the G4 because I've already made 2 videos of that, but no, don't get me wrong, I love the G4 and it's going to be another one of my favorite Kirbys, but I think the Sentria needs to do this one. So anyway, here we go. is. Let's take a feel down here. Oh yeah, that's definitely the powder. Yeah, even though the Simplicity and the Bissell there have good agitation, they still left some behind. I mean, I could probably keep going over that rug with this Kirby and still get some powder. If I had a dirt meter for this style, I would totally put it on there with maybe some felt cloth or something dark or even black, and see if we continuously get that dry powder. So, too bad I don't have one, but I'll tell you, if I could keep gaining subscribers and get monetized, I'll definitely get one of those and show y'all. Either that or I'll just order one from eBay when I get the available funds from my job and all that. But that'll be for another time because, well, I still got plenty more videos I could do right now. But until then, be sure to subscribe for anyone who's new here and has only recently watched this video. And while we're waiting on the subscription count to get to 1,000 or more, you can just go to my website. It's free to sign up, free to post. Link is in the description. So tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see, and I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. And until next time, bye.